is 10 newtons per millimeter of cable. In this test, we have a 2 millimeter cable, so we start with 20 newtons. Before starting, always ensure the machine is properly grounded. You need approximately 10 meters of loose duct with a plug at the end. If you have a JLP model, we recommend using jet logger for this test. Insert the cable into the machine using a suitable size of cable seal. Mount the duct clamp and cable guide. Tighten the measuring wheel so it grips the cable firmly, but not excessively. If the cable slips, slightly increase the wheel pressure. Set the machine to 20 newtons, increase to full speed, and run it until the cable reaches the other end of the duct. In this case, the slip protection was activated. No cable crash occurred. Retract the cable, set to 30 newtons, run at full speed until the cable reaches the other end of the duct. Slip protection was also activated at 30 newtons. Retract the cable and increase to 40 newtons. Run again until the cable reaches the end, now with 40 newtons pushing force and full speed. This time, it crashed. This means that 40 newtons of pushing force is too much for the cable to be installed. Disassemble the parts to remove the damaged cable. Cut off the damaged section, reassemble everything, and set the pushing force back to 30 newton. 30 newton will be the maximum pushing force for this cable type. If you are using a JLP version of the V0, you can run a crash test with the help of the jet logger and save your session as a PDF. Jetting always recommends performing a crash test before cable installation. Thank you for watching.